Hey there peeps, Mew Mew here and welcome back to another unboxing, and today we have a little tail. But whose tail is that? It is Pusheen! Look at Pusheen, look at Pusheen's little paws, and you can see that if this wasn't, having issues focusing, that Pusheen is holding up the balloons that she is holding on. It is quite adorable. And so, here we go. I don't know where the opening is. Okay. Pusheen! Ta-da! Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Stop! Okay, I love this box because it always has very cute items. And we're gonna look at the card last like we always do. And Pusheen. Okay, we're gonna get the biggest item here, which is this. And we have a travel throw blanket. Ooh, and yes, it is messing with my green screen, but we're gonna ignore that. Pusheen, a travel throw blanket. Yes, that is gonna mess with the green screen. Look! Oh, they did? That's awesome! Look at this cute little blanket. It's so adorable. And we're gonna move it because I'll show it on the card. And these are adorable! Photo clips! Pusheen exclusive photo clips. These are little photo clips. You can see them here. So they're gold and you can dangle them and oh, these are so cool. You can be super fancy. Some people got them broken. Okay, so we're checking to make sure that these are all okay. Apparently there is an issue that some people are receiving these broken. So these are photo clips. Actually, wrong way. These are little photo clips. You can put things on it, such as you can dangle it from one corner to another and dingles. We're gonna put them back in the box because they're actually moving here, and I'm sorry for the audio. I don't know if they're really clanky. And hi peeps, they're coming in. This is a Pusheen. Oh, mine has a little dent. It is a water bottle. It's a very shiny water bottle. Mine has dents on it. It has little scratches. So it is very cute, messing with the green screen, but it does have some scratches there. You can see one here. That's a mingle. You can see it, but yeah, it has scratch there and a scratch down here. So I'm gonna have to let them know because it's so sad. But it's so cute! I love this! It's a perfect thing. And the Pusheen on it is quite adorable. Setting that down. Okay, so this is tape dispenser! Look at this little tape dispenser. It didn't come with tape. Oh, I found one of the little clips for the photo thing. I'm gonna have to check on them. Look, it's a little tape dispenser. It didn't come with tape, but I do have tape. I'll have to put it in. I have some tape there. Oh, this is so cute. It is a little bit big, but I can set this on my desk. And next is the figure. The figure for this month is this Pusheen with balloons. And Throws away old. Yes, we're throwing away the old paper stencil for this. Ah. Yes, we're just throwing everything. Look, oh, and one of the balloons. Apparently, the yellow balloon isn't liked by the green screen. Look at the cuteness. Look at the cuteness. Pusheen with its little balloons. Okay. Next, we have the slippers. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, but they look very large. Hold on, we're trying them on. They are kind of big. They're kind of big, but they're cool. Because I got them in medium, and apparently they're just a tad too big. And now, this is so cute. It is, oh, it's a pencil pouch. I almost bought a pencil pouch the other day, and this is adorable. It is gold inside. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I can put my makeup in it. Or my pins. It is so pretty. I love the theme. You know, it's messing up my green screen, but you know, it don't matter. Look at the gold accents. They do ask for your size. Oh, look, it's a special edition gold pin. Look, it has a little gold pin, and it has the Pusheen with balloons. It is so adorable, and I think I can't do unboxings with green screen anymore. And a mouse pad! A mouse pad! I don't have a mouse pad. I almost bought a mouse pad the other day. Look at the Pusheen mouse pad! And I see something else in there, and I'm like so excited. Oh my gosh. Look at the Pusheen mouse pad, mouse pad, mouse pad. There's my whole mouse pad. So cute. And last but not least, and I think it might be my favorite item here. I know, my office is now a battle zone. The last item is stationery. It is a Pusheen letter set, 9 sheets of paper, 9 envelopes, 9 stickers. There's letters. Oh my gosh. Yes, 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 yes. No, I don't throw away the box. The Pusheen box, I use it whenever I do raffles. I send things in those boxes. I love the box, but the box is right there. We're gonna reuse that. Letter set. Maybe if anyone wants a letter from me and Dan Bear, comment on this video, and we'll choose somebody. You know, you have to be subscribed, you have to like, you have to comment, and we'll send you a letter. Just any letter. We'll write something random in it for you. And you know, you'll get a special letter from me and Dan Bear. Yeah. Send you one. Keep them for subs. Yes, so we'll do that. You have to comment, like, and subscribe, and you know, by the end of the week after this, I will raffle it off and let you know if I'm gonna write you a letter. So you gotta click there. Everybody wants letters. So let's recap what we got. What happened to the paper? Here it goes. Okay, here we go. So for spring 2018, because yes, this was the spring 2018 box. So cute. Little Pusheen with Stormy. We got the figure, the Pusheen figure. We got the slip, which it says vinyl figure, and this is the 10th box bonus item, which is the gold pin. We got our pouch. This pouch will help you carry your pens, pencils, and other essentials like makeup. Then we got our slippers. Keep your feet cozy in these Pusheen slippers, which are so cute. Then we got the throw. Next time you travel, keep comfy and warm. I will be doing that next time I travel. Look at all the cuteness. Here is kind of a zoom in of the card itself. These are all the things. I mean, we did get the You know, I know it's backwards because of my camera, but we got the photo clips, which are really pretty gold. I know, dangling. Look, they're so cute. If I don't focus, there. They're really pretty. I like that this box, they really went gold. Like everything has gold. And then we have our tape dispenser, which is adorable, and we're gonna change our tape dispenser now. And then we have our water bottle, you know, enjoy your hot or cold drinks on the go with this stainless steel container. I will be contacting them to ask them if they could chill out with my phone. But yes, that was adorable, the figure. And let's see what else. Keep Pusheen at your workspace with this adorable tape dispenser. It was really cute. Send a handwritten letter to someone special with this Pusheen letter set. And the mouse pad. I'm so happy for the mouse pad. I really did want one because I was messing with my mouse the other day and I was like, I need a mouse pad. And I almost got one, but I didn't. This is really cute. Like, I love the Pusheen box. Like, Pusheen box is one of my favorite boxes that I get. I don't get many more. I don't get that many subscription boxes right now. So actually, if you want to suggest a subscription box, please do so in the comments below. And as I said before, if you want to receive a letter from me and Amber, like, comment, subscribe, and at the end of the week after this video comes out, I will raffle it off and I will send you a letter, and maybe there'll be a bonus item attached to it. So please do that if you want it, and thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the Pusheen box. It is one of my favorite boxes. I'm going to continue getting it as much as I can. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you all so very much for watching, and until next time, meow to meow.